Hello dear traders. Thank you for paying attention to our review. Dear viewer, I kindly ask you to give this video your royal thumbs up in advance. Your like is greatly needed to spread the channel. GURU.Markets. We will analyze the main indicators of the company Walmart Inc., ticker WMT. This review is based on information as of May 4, 2024. By classification GURU.Markets Corporation Walmart Inc. belongs to the subcategory Retail Product. 31 companies take part in the comparison. This is very representative. Let's start with general information about the company. If necessary, you can pause it. We invite you to study each indicator of the organization under study carefully. Access to the database with the classification of company tickers is absolutely free and free. Thank you for your repost, as well as various other help. It all helps the project a lot. Well, friends, we are finally starting. Market capitalization of the company Walmart Inc. is $482.14 billion. With a subcategory market capitalization of $1,038 billion. Walmart Inc. accounts for a share of 46.46% and is one of the leaders in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $83.76 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory of $164 billion. Walmart Inc. accounts for a share of 51.121%. Having made a comparison of the occupied shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Walmart Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 46.46%. The balance sheet capitalization is 51.121%. This is 10% more than the share of market capitalization. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Total company assessment Walmart Inc. will be presented at the end of the video. Please look at the progress of the study in full. The company's debts amount to $61.146 billion. Financial liabilities to book capitalization account for 73% of capital. Result on the level of the company's financial liabilities. Tolerable, 0 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 31.3. The average for the subcategory is 30.7, which is 2% higher than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's market value to profit indicators in comparison within the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. Profit for the last 12 months amounted to $15,511 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are tentatively expected to be $19,335 million. Which is 24.7% more than the current figure. An assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison within the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-revenue ratio is 0.7. The subcategory average is 0.7, which is 0% higher than the subcategory average. Assessment of stock market value to revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Tolerable, 0 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $648,130 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is tentatively expected to be $807,930 million. 25% more than currently. Assessment of projected future sales performance in comparison with the performance of subcategory companies. Good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 2.4%, with an average for the subcategory of 2.3%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 0.1%. Assessment of sales margins in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 51.418%, which is 11% more than the share of market capitalization. And this fact reflects the imbalance in the current market value of the company Walmart Inc., most likely towards underestimation. The amount of capital for each employee of the company is $230,000. Whereas in the subcategory there are $254,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 9.4%. Estimation of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit for each employee of the company is $7,400. The average in the subcategory is $8,300. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 11%. Estimated profit per individual employee compared to subcategory performance. Tolerable, 0 points. The share of sales per employee of the organization is $309,000. By subcategory $357,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 16%. Estimation of revenue per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The volume of sales transactions corresponds to 0.8%, with an average for the subcategory of 4.9%. This is a short squeeze indicator. Indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 51% for the company Walmart Inc. Whereas in the subcategory this level is approximately 48%. Technically, subcategory securities are valued in the same way as company shares Walmart Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Walmart Inc. and subcategory companies. We see that over 12 months the promotions Walmart Inc. showed a change of 19.2%. Against price dynamics in the subcategory minus 0.7%. This definitely doesn't mean anything, but you need to take note of this fact. The overall result is 3 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 2.2 points. If you look very broadly, within the US market as a whole, we'll see, the average score for the entire market as a whole is 0.3 points. Against a 3-point rating for the company Walmart Inc. Let's go to the order table, which is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly made decisions by the stock valuation information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in pinned comment. Based on stock valuation Walmart Inc. Information system for stock valuation GURU.Markets. A decision is made. Do not open a deal due to Walmart Inc. This is not an undervalued company in the subcategory. Thank you so much for watching this video and using the help system from Guru.Markets. You are the coolest audience in the whole world.